Hey there, guys. Carrie from Byrider Madison again. Just wanted to kind of touch base with everyone on social media and kind of explain what Byrider is. Byrider, like I mentioned in past videos, and we're here helping folks with credit issues. But we are what we call a buy here, pay here dealership. That's a little bit different than standard dealerships. So I'll kind of explain the difference in what the pros are if we're going with a buy here, pay here. So when you go to a traditional dealership, you are working with a dealership and they are working with outside banks to get you financed for a vehicle that they're trying to sell. That's different than a buy here, pay here. A buy here, pay here means that if you were to come into Byrider Madison, whether you come in here and do an application or we do one over the phone and bring you in, we do our own in-house financing. So there are a multitude of advantages of doing that. First off, we're the ones that make the decision. When it comes to getting you financed for the vehicle. Typically that means we can get a quicker response instead of having to wait for 5, 6, 7 hours at the dealership to find the right bank where they're shotgunning your credit, as they say in the industry, sending you to 5, 10, 15 different lenders. We have one bank only that we work with. Like I said, in-house, that is specifically designed to help folks with credit issues. So you're able to get a decision a lot quicker, which really speeds the process up. Typically, we tell our folks, customers when they come in, that it's usually only about a 2 to 3 hour process, where if you were to go to a traditional dealership, you could be there for 5, 6, 7 hours. Heck, you might even have to come back the next day. Here at Byrider, like I said, we try to do things as quickly as possible and efficiently as possible. And because we are helping folks specifically with credit issues, and our bank is on board with that, we're able to help a lot of people get into vehicles where others have said no. So I definitely, encourage customers, if you are in those situations, bad credit, no credit, damage credit, and are looking to get into a vehicle fast, give us a call here at Byrider Madison, 608-663-1213. Take care. Have a great weekend.